Hey guys, welcome to my vlog. Today we are driving down to Kennesaw, Georgia to pick up my daughter because she is packing out from college for the summer. I hope you guys enjoy this vlog and come along with us. What is a road trip without knitting? Like, what's a road trip without knitting? So you guys, I brought along my socks so I can work on my socks. I am going to be working on these heel-toe do-si-do socks from the Crazy Sock Lady. If you guys are a knitter or you knit or crochet, check her out. She's on YouTube. I love her channel. She is just a dope sock designer. So I'm gonna work on those while we drive. Guys, we are here finally. We're gonna go check out Maya. See you guys when we get upstairs and make our way into the dorm. So what? Just hold your mask.
This stuff is all supposed to be going with us.
So all of this stuff is going?
Yeah, but
After the refrigerator going in the store stuff, right?
Yeah. Most of this stuff is like my.
Oh, we didn't get the bin out the dang on trunk.
Like, I'm taking my pillows because I don't want the pillows. I don't want bed bugs in my pillows. So. And then that got messed up first semester, so I'm taking my blanket home. And then I have my towels. Do you guys think that I should leave the towels or should I take them with me?
You can leave them.
You can leave them.
You gotta bring it back when you come back. I mean, in a perfect world, all you have to do is have a suitcase you can fly back.
Mommy, where
Yeah, I'm wait. So, you know how
Okay guys, so we're gonna start packing out. So we'll come back.
About you I like. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. Guess I'm just too scared to settle down. There'd be many nights I got too high and almost left town. But there's something about you, something about you I like, about you I like. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better, yeah. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better.
real? You in your car seat? I can't wait to see you.
About you, something about you I like, about you.
Everybody, happy Mother's Day. But I'm gonna go ahead and unload this car, and then I will see you guys when we are upstairs. I was gonna read this one, but you told me you don't want me to.
Oh, here's another book you should read. Where is it? What the heck?
James, why you? I can't get you, James. You
Here's
don't got
another
no
book you
pants
should
on.
read. I'm not finished with it. It's called the last.
Oh, you're not with?
Members.
Okay.
It's really good. Tiana recommended it to me.
Okay. Well, I'll read it when you're done reading it.
Yeah, but please look after Mom.
No. My daughter gave me a book to read. I'm gonna read this. I'm gonna start on it because it's Mother's Day and I'm not doing anything but eating and relaxing.
Happy Mother's Day, Mom. Happy Mother's Day from Anne-Marie. Oh, thanks. Love, Ray. Yeah, check your little card. I love you. Happy Mother's Day. Love, Ray. I love you, Mommy. Happy Mother's Day. Oh, Ray. It's from Mimi. Mom upside down spells wow. I got it from my mama. You're amazing. I love Mom. Mom, you are a superhero. Best mom ever. Oh, that's sweet. Thanks, Mimi. Got a little purse.
Good morning, welcome to the vlog. So it's the day after Mother's Day and I hope everyone had a good Mother's Day. I know I did, but it's Monday. The little girls have school, so I'm just gonna go ahead and get them ready for school. And you guys, I just threw a wig on. Okay, I just threw my curly wig on. It's one of those days. It's nice and gloomy outside, but we're gonna be all right. We're gonna be all right. We're gonna get this day started and we're gonna have a blessed day. I claim it in the name of Jesus. Okay, sometimes you got to do that. You got to claim your day ahead of time. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and get them all started with school. You guys, it's not gonna be too much today in this vlog. Today is Monday and y'all, same old thing. I mean, I'm a mom. I'm a stay-at-home wife. There's not too much exciting things going on in my world. All right, kids, cooking, cleaning. That's my life as of right now. But anyway, I hope you guys come along and like to see what goes on in my life. So I'm gonna go get them started with school, and yeah, and I'll see you guys in a little bit, right? Hey guys, welcome to the vlog. So today is Saturday and we are on our way to H-Mart. We are in my husband's car, so I'm gonna take y'all with me. Hopefully we can find some good stuff. I'm pretty sure we're gonna find some good stuff. I mean, it's H-Mart. I mean, how could you not find anything good? But we're gonna go to H-Mart and we're gonna go to TraderJoes. I'm going to try to get some things to make pho and Korean barbecue. And we're just gonna have a little mini cookout today with fam, and I'm gonna take you guys along with me. So let's get going, y'all. Our shop on. Joe's. Leaving Trader Joe's. Next stop, H-Mart. We're about to put this stuff in the trunk. And I should have watched a video before I came here because I didn't remember none of the stuff that I wanted to get, but I did find some cute stuff. So you guys can see that. I will do a little mini haul of the stuff that we did get from here. So I'm about to put this stuff in the car, and I hope you guys can hear me because I have this mask on. So see you guys at H-Mart. So this is the marinade that we're going to be using for the bulgogi for Korean barbecue, and this is good for any type of meat. So if you guys ever wanted to know, you go over here in the H-Mart if you do have an H-Mart. But yeah, this is what we're going to use for the Korean barbecue. And for pho, I'm going to use the sriracha and the oyster sauce. Okay guys, we are back in the car from H-Mart, and I feel like I didn't get a lot of vlog footage because it was small and there was a lot of people in there, and I didn't want to make nobody feel awkward or weird, and then I didn't want to offend anyone. So I just got little clips of shots of different aisles that we went in and the different things that we were grabbing for what we were going into the store for. And anyway, but I don't know why I was expecting it not to be so expensive, because originally it came from Georgia, so the videos that I watched was saying that it wasn't that expensive. Got the meat and stuff from there because it wasn't expensive at all, but it was hella expensive here. So I don't know if that's because we are in Virginia. Everything is super damn expensive, but y'all, I want to make, what is it called again? I always keep forgetting what it was called.
What, baby?
Oh my goodness, it is really a thing now. I want to make lumpia, and lumpia costs, you don't have to use pork, but it costs for ground pork. It was literally like $8.49 for a pound of ground pork here. So we're gonna go to Walmart, and I'll see you guys when we get back home. I will come back on when we get back home and I start cooking and stuff. yummy. It's so good. So good, y'all. We have some lumpia, some bulgogi. And we're waiting on the rice, but bon appetit because we about to eat.